Regenerative medicine once focused on cell therapy, introducing healthy cells to repair damaged tissues. Stem cell treatments like bone marrow transplants have saved lives, but science has moved forward. Researchers discovered that stem cells heal not just by becoming new tissue, but by sending out tiny messengers. EvoX. EvoX are nanoscale vesicles packed with proteins, lipids, and RNA, acting as the body's internal postal service. Once dismissed as cellular waste, EvoX is now seen as key players in healing, immune response, and disease progression. This shift has sparked a new era, using EvoX directly as therapies. Unlike cell therapy, EvoX therapy avoids immune rejection and tumor risks, offering a safer, more targeted approach. By isolating these natural nanoparticles, we can deliver precise treatments without introducing foreign cells. EvoX therapy is paving the way for more predictable and powerful regenerative medicine. The future of healing is moving from cells themselves to the messages they send. Leading this new frontier is EvoX, a platform from Gangnam Medical Center that redefines EvoX therapy. EvoX is engineered for potent neural regeneration and anti-inflammatory effects, targeting tough conditions like brain injuries and neurodegenerative diseases. These EvoX is derived from unique stem cells and loaded with molecules that help neurons survive, grow, and recover. EvoX's breakthrough. Its EvoX can cross the blood-brain barrier, delivering healing cargo directly to the brain. This opens new possibilities for treating neurological disorders once thought untreatable. Advanced bioengineering ensures each exosome is packed with growth factors, anti-inflammatory cytokines, and microRNAs for maximum effect. The result? A supercharged, reliable therapy that sets a new standard in regenerative medicine. EvoX isn't just another EvoX product, it's a leap forward in precision and efficacy. The future of brain and immune healing is here. EvoX stands out thanks to 4 rigorously validated pillars. First, its proprietary purification process delivers ultra-pure nano-signal transfer material, free from contaminants. Second, EvoX's engineering boosts therapeutic molecules, resulting in higher levels of neurotrophic and anti-inflammatory factors. Clinical data show this leads to faster recovery and reduced inflammation compared to standard exosomes. Third, EvoX is proven to cross the blood-brain barrier, directly reaching brain tissue, a game-changer for neurological treatment. Finally, EvoX is manufactured under strict GMP standards, ensuring every batch is safe, consistent, and scalable. This commitment to quality and evidence sets EvoX apart in the global race for advanced therapies. EvoX is ready for real-world impact. EvoX's potential spans far beyond one disease or region. Its ability to cross the blood-brain barrier and promote neural repair is driving trials for stroke, spinal cord injury, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. EvoX also shows promise in immune disorders like rheumatoid arthritis and multiple sclerosis, calming overactive immune responses. In cancer, EvoX are being explored as targeted drug delivery vehicles, reducing side effects. Global collaborations are accelerating EvoX's clinical development, with partnerships across North America, Europe, and Asia. GMP manufacturing ensures EvoX meets regulatory standards worldwide, paving the way for export and commercialization. As trials progress, EvoX is on track to become a new standard of care. The vision transformed treatment for some of the world's toughest diseases. Regenerative medicine is shifting from cell transplants to harnessing the power of EvoX messengers. EvoX therapy offers unmatched precision and safety, unlocking new ways to treat disease at its source. EvoX leads this revolution, setting new standards for purity, potency, and delivery, especially in neuroregeneration. Backed by rigorous science and global partnerships, EvoX is moving from lab to clinic, offering real hope to patients. The groundwork is being laid now to make these therapies widely available within a few years. EvoX therapy is poised to become the gold standard, especially for challenging neurological conditions. With EvoX at the forefront, the future of medicine is arriving faster than ever. The era of healing through cellular messages has begun.